Hello everyone, this is Wei, and today we're going to talk about how to make a VTuber software. So making a VTuber software might be a lot easier than you may think. All you'll need is a real human with a face expression, and you will need some kind of mechanism to extract the face expression information and turn that into a kind of data that can be combined with your 2D or 3D model. Right, so here we're going to show you an example with a 3D model. However, you will of course be able to use your 2D model if you get a model exported from Live 2D or other kinds of software. The easiest way for one to get a 3D model is to use VTuber Studio. This video is not sponsored by VTuber Studio. So this is a great product developed by Pixiv. I'm not going to share you the detail of this product. I'm going to say that this is a great product and it's completely free on Steam. You can download it and try it right now. The model that you're seeing at this moment, as I'm currently recording this VTube video, is exported using VTuber Studio. The example that we're showing here is a simple 3D model also provided by Pixiv. As you can see, we get our 3D model, but the model is in T-pose, right? So we'll need some kind of movement information to move the 3D model. Since we're trying to do a VTuber thing, the movement information that we'll want is our facial expression and our body movement, right? So to extract these kind of information, we will need some kind of camera. This is a very high-end camera. Not everyone have it. The video that you're watching right now, I'm using a MacBook Pro embedded webcam that may not be as good as the one that you're seeing now. However, with whatever kind of camera you have, you will be able to capture your face, right? To capture the face, if you are recorded it in the video, then you will not just be able to get one image, right? You will be able to get a lot of continuous image. And these are the input data that we will need, right? To get all these images and then combine these information with some kind of magic. This magic is the mechanism that we talk about that can extract our facial expression information. And this magic is called artificial intelligence, right? Or deep learning. With the advance of current technology, we are able to run several techniques to extract the information, and the first technique that we'll need to run is called face detection. So face detection is of course a way to detect your face. This technology has been developed by so many years, and we will be able to get this result, a kind of red box that's showing you that there is a face within the box. So when we get the result, that we get these red squares, red box with a face in it, we'll be able to first crop the image, and then we can run the second algorithm, the second method that we will need. This is called facial landmark detection. So with this facial landmark detection, we'll be able to get a face mesh, that what you are currently seeing on the screen. This face mesh contains the information of our eyes openness, our mouth openness, and also other indicators that show you the position of our iris, of our face, and other kinds of information. So we can combine these positioning information and turn that into the feature that we need, into eyes open ratio, mouth open ratio, our head rotation, iris position, and also other information if we would like. And we have all these information together. Now we'll just need to combine everything, right? So the structure will be using a camera to track our face information, getting the face mesh that we'll need, extract feature information from the face mesh, and then combine that with the 3D model in T-pose that we got, and then you will be able to get the VTuber movement that we will want. So of course, since I'm doing this video, I'm not going to show you if I didn't make one by myself, right? So I made a demo website called OpenLife3D. You can log into that website down in the description directly, and you can also check the code, right? It's an open source on GitHub. You can get into the GitHub OpenLife3D to check the implementation detail. And leave a comment if you would like to know anything more about the implementation or other kind of information. Thank you.